Hey tech fans! Want a smartwatch with ChatGPT, a stunning AMOLED display, and a 13-day battery for just $99? Nothing's new CMF Watch 3 Pro is here to blow your mind. Stick around to see why this budget beast is a game changer. Welcome back to GadInsider, your go-to for the hottest tech drops. Nothing sub-brand CMF just launched the CMF Watch 3 Pro, a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch that's only $99. Designed for everyday users and casual fitness buffs, this watch delivers premium vibes without the premium price tag. Let's dive in. The CMF Watch 3 Pro steps up from its predecessor with a sleek metal body and a bigger 1.43-inch AMOLED display with thinner bezels for a crisp, vibrant look. Available in bold orange, dark gray, and light gray, it's got style for days. Plus, it's ditched the interchangeable bezels for a tougher, more polished design and packs a new 4-channel heart rate sensor for better health tracking accuracy. Here's where it gets wild. The CMF Watch 3 Pro has built-in ChatGPT. Ask questions, set reminders, or get quick facts using natural voice commands. It's like having a mini AI assistant on your wrist. You also get a voice recorder with auto transcription, gesture shortcuts, and Bluetooth calling with a second mic for crystal clear calls. Oh, and you can send 140-character quick replies right from the watch. All this syncs seamlessly with the Nothing X app, which also controls Nothing's audio gear. For fitness fans, this watch is a steal. It supports over 130 sports modes, from running to yoga, with a lightweight RTOS system that keeps things smooth. The dual-band GPS ensures precise tracking for outdoor workouts. And the battery? A massive 13 days on a single charge with typical use, or 4.5 days with the always-on display. A full charge takes just 99 minutes. That's some serious endurance for under $100. At $99, the CMF Watch 3 Pro is a no-brainer for anyone wanting a smartwatch that looks premium, tracks fitness like a pro, and bring AI smarts to the table. It's perfect for casual users and fitness enthusiasts who don't want to break the bank. Plus, with IP68 water and dust resistance, it's ready for your active lifestyle. Ready to grab yours? The CMF Watch 3 Pro is available now in orange, dark gray, and light gray, directly from Nothing's website, with Amazon availability coming soon. Don't miss out on this budget-friendly powerhouse. Drop a comment which color you're picking. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.